Simon Gaviola Labaho. Sa akin naman, E for Eagle, tapos di maintindihan ni customer. So, nag-E for Eagle na lang ako. Bisaya sa customer. Ayun, naintindihan niya. Bisaya din naman ako. Mas madali maintindihan yung E for Eagle. Oh, Eagle. Diba? Smagul. Trisure. Laureen. Agent, thank you for patiently waiting and I'm sorry for the dead air. Marvin Godinez. A for Alpha, B for Bravo, C for Charlie, D for Delta, E for India. Dashas, thank you for calling. My name is Chrissy. Is that correct? How am I supposed to know? Hey Shell, please let us know if you need anything else. We'd love to help you in any way we can. Thank you and stay. So Stay. Ralion Flores, yung imbis na take care, kakanood ko ng mga funny moments sa call center na sabi ko, take safe. Take care tsaka stay safe. Take safe, ha? O, naku kayo, ha? Kung nanonood kayo dito, huwag nyo i-apply sa real life, ha?